Nikola stock finally retraced from the non-stop rally it has had for the I would say 4 out of the last 5 trading sessions. It ultimately lost 15% today, the 16th of June 2023. Whether you like it or not, the era of higher interest rates is not even as high as it was in the early 80s, where mortgage rates were like 13% and people were still buying. So right now, as things stand right now, the Fed is increasing interest rates. People are still going to buy cars. They're going to buy Nikola cars. If you think Nikola is going to trouble the current regime of high interest rates is going to affect the company, hell no. They are still going to sell cars. There is a huge army of young Americans who are buying homes. If they're buying homes, they're also going to buy Nikola cars, and indeed every other cars, including petrol engine cars. So today the company announced update on its business optimization efforts, including streamlining of operations and decreasing cash burn. So it announced a progress update on its business optimization efforts, which are expected to result in a marked decrease in cash spend and streamlining of its operations. These actions are consistent with comments from the company's first quarter earnings announcement, among others, including the following: realigning cost structure and reducing cash use by reorganizing workforce and rationalizing spend in all areas of the business, concentrating on the North American marketplace, including the planned sale of the company's joint venture share to Iveco Group, localizing the supply chain where possible, including transitioning battery manufacturing from Cypress, California to the Nikola plant in Coolidge, Arizona, along with planned assembly of Bosch fuel cell power modules in Coolidge. Both actions are expected to reduce material cost of the trucks, prioritizing a capital efficient approach for the HYLA hydrogen energy infrastructure business, including a strategic partnership with Volterra to develop up to 50 hydrogen stations over the next 5 years, focusing on launching the company's Class 8 hydrogen fuel cell electric truck in the third quarter of this year, 2023, which currently has 178 sales orders from 14 end customers. Optimizing production at the Coolidge, Arizona manufacturing facility to accommodate Nikola's battery, electric and hydrogen fuel cell electric trucks on one assembly line. Ongoing restructuring of legacy Romeo business and shutdown of legacy Cypress operations. Annual cash usage expected to decrease to under $400 million by 2024, which is not far away from now. In conjunction with these initiatives, Nikola conducted a thorough review of its organizational structure and made the difficult but strategic decision to reduce its headcount, which is expected to decrease personnel-related cash spent by more than $50 million annually. The reduction affected roughly 15 team members across multiple sites who were previously supporting in part or in full the company's European programs, as well as approximately 120 employees based predominantly at the company's Phoenix and Coolidge, Arizona sites, and previously announced actions from Cypress, California. Nikola is supporting those affected with transition assistance. So given all of those things and much more, it's still retracing in this post-market session of today, the 16th of June 2023, a downward support of 1.12 and upper projection of 1.28. It was yet still the most active stock, even with these losses. It was still the most active stock. Traded 232 million shares. Tesla traded 167.5 million shares. Well, yes, it doesn't. The comparison shouldn't really be there as such, but it was the most active, more active than Tesla. Tesla is the number one player in the industry. So we still have this upper projection of $2.17 on the daily chart, 2.17. And see what you make of Nikola stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.